The National Weather Service in Central Keystone City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Keystone County in Central Keystone. This includes the city of Central Keystone City, North and North Central Hunter County in Central Keystone, Muffler County in Central Keystone, United County in East Central Keystone, Cylinder County in East Central Keystone, Tunisia County in East Central Keystone, Pentagon County in South Central Keystone, Dauphin County in Southeast Keystone. This includes the city of Corningsburg. New Myrtle County in Southeast Keystone. This includes the city of Myrtle City, Northwest and West Myrtle County in East Central Keystone, until 10:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service storm spotters indicated a severe thunderstorm 15 miles west of Central Keystone City, or 5 miles west of Fort Mary. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. A tornado watch is in effect until 5 p.m. Tuesday. Hazard: severe thunderstorm with wind gusts up to 56 miles per hour and golf ball-sized hail. Source: National Weather Service storm spotters. Impact: minor damage to homes and vehicles expected. Action: take action now. Seek shelter inside a building. Stay tuned to local media outlets for updates. If severe weather is spotted, report it to the National Weather Service in Central Keystone City.
A severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for multiple areas in Central and Southeast Keystone until 10:20 p.m. These include the cities of Central Keystone City, Corningsburg, and Myrtle City. A tornado watch is also in effect until 5 p.m. Tuesday. The storm is expected to move east towards eastern Keystone, and it is capable of producing a tornado and golf ball-sized hail. We seem to have just gotten a tornado warning from the National Weather Service for New Myrtle County, Dauphin County, and Myrtle County. If you are in these areas, seek shelter.
The National Weather Service in Central Keystone City has issued a tornado warning for Dauphin County in Southeast Keystone. This includes the city of Corningsburg. New Myrtle County in Southeast Keystone. This includes the city of Myrtle City. South Myrtle County in East Central Keystone. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a rotation 3 miles north of Myrtle City, and a rotation 2 miles southeast of Mooton, or 1 mile south of Birchtown. The severe thunderstorm warning has been extended until 1 a.m. tomorrow, and a tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Tuesday. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated threat. Impact: flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will occur. Impact: take shelter now. Move to the innermost room in a sturdy building. If in a vehicle, pull over near a ditch when safe to do so, and cover yourself in the ditch. Do not park under overpasses. Tornado emergency for Myrtle City and surrounding areas. This is an extremely dangerous situation. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, law enforcement reported a violent tornado heading through Stowaway Peninsula Park, 1 mile north of Myrtle City. The tornado is heading southeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado is expected to severely damage or destroy anything in its path. Take shelter now. Move to the innermost room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Remember, stay away from windows. If driving, move to the side of the road and stay in a ditch. Do not park under overpasses.
Madame, 你快点叫！Madame。